In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Canva email designs to Klaviyo. By the end, you'll have your Canva design sitting inside Klaviyo as a reusable email template, ready for campaigns or flows. Before we begin, have your Canva export handy. If you exported an HTML file from Canva, keep that file nearby along with any assets your design relies on, like images. If you only copied the HTML code, keep that ready to paste. Start by opening your Klaviyo account and heading to the dashboard. From there, go to the content section. This is where Klaviyo stores your brand assets, email templates, and anything you'll reuse across messages. Inside content, select templates. This takes you to your library of email templates. Next, choose import. This is the gateway for bringing in designs that were built outside of Klaviyo. You have two ways to import: uploading an HTML file or pasting the HTML directly. If you're uploading a file, click Upload HTML File. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can find it later. Then click Select File and choose the HTML file you exported from Canva. You'll also see a checkbox about using this template for triggered emails that are not marketing related. Only check that box if the template will be used for transactional messages, such as order confirmations or shipping updates, not promotional campaigns. If your template references additional files, such as images or styles, upload those under the Additional Files area by clicking Select File and attaching the assets your HTML calls for. This helps Klaviyo resolve those references so your email renders correctly. If your images are hosted elsewhere with full URLs, you might not need to upload them here, but ensure the links are valid and publicly accessible. If you prefer to paste your code instead of uploading a file, choose Paste HTML. Then paste your full HTML into the editor. Make sure you include everything your design needs, and if your code references images, verify the paths are correct. When everything looks good, click Import Template. Klaviyo will create your new template and add it to your library. From there, you can open it in the editor to confirm that the layout, fonts, colors, and links display as expected. If anything looks off, it's usually due to missing assets or image paths, so double check those. That's it. You've successfully moved your Canva email design into Klaviyo, keeping your brand consistent and your workflow efficient.